Good morning. Welcome to Paperex. Sir, how do you feel coming to Paperex, sir?
Good morning. We are very excited to be at Paperex, which is the world's largest pulp and paper show. This is our fourth time attending Paperex and our second time exhibiting at Paperex. In this edition, we have been exhibiting our AI-based sensors and analyzers. For example, we have launched the fiber morphology analyzer. What the fiber morphology analyzer does is it looks at the raw material. So in this edition of Paperex, we have launched our fiber morphology analyzer. So it is a computer vision based analyzer which looks at the pulp, the key raw material, and understands the strength properties in the pulp, the defects in the pulp, to estimate what kind of properties the paper maker will achieve. What it helps the paper maker to do is optimize the use of additives like starch, so starch consumption can come down, how mechanically the pulp is refined, that can be managed better, resulting in more consistent quality and lower energy costs. So that's one of the products that we have exhibited here at Paperex. Additionally, we launched our Mount Fuji data intelligence platform. Neeraj, who is the vice president, can tell us a little bit more about Mount Fuji.
So Mount Fuji प्लेटफॉर्म ऐसा है जो AI बेस्ड प्लेटफॉर्म है, वो प्लांट के ऊपर बैठता है, आपका DCS कार्डा सबसे डेटा कलेक्ट करता है और मल्टीपल AI मॉडल्स है जिसके थ्रू आप क्लोज लूप कंट्रोल कर पाते हो. तो आपको रिपोर्ट्स हो गए, डैशबोर्ड्स हो गए, डाउन टाइम एनालिसिस हो गया, ये सारा कुछ डेटा निकाल के आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करता है और फिर सारे मॉडल्स जो भी हमारे आर्टिफिशियल न्यूरल नेटवर्क बेस्ड मॉडल्स हैं वो चलते हैं और आपके प्लांट को क्लोज लूप कंट्रोल में कंट्रोल करते हैं, जिसके थ्रू केमिकल रिडक्शन हो जाएगा आपका और एनर्जी भी काफ़ी कम यूज होगी.
Okay, sir. What performance improvement do mills typically see after using your solution?
So there are broadly three challenges, and they're the same globally, whether mills in Europe or in the US, in China, in India. Those challenges are pretty much the same, which is raw material availability has become a big constraint. So mills are having to deal with diverse sources of raw material. In the past, there was more stable sources of raw material. Now they are having to deal with more diverse sources of raw material, whether it is softwood or hardwood or recycled fiber. So the raw material, there's a lot of variation. On the market side, the market is demanding for different grades of product. Earlier, paper makers would make the same grade of products for 30 days straight. Today, they are having to switch between grades sometimes multiple times in a day, sometimes every few days, right? So even though the raw material has changed so much, the end markets are demanding more and more, right? And in between, the operators who run these plants, those operators are becoming more and more scarce. The average tenure of operators has come down significantly, especially after COVID. There used to be many experienced operators in the industry 10 years ago. They used to have over 20 years of tenure. Today, we're talking about single digits of tenure, right? So the input has changed so much. What you're making, the market is demanding more. And in between, you have operators who have even more less experience, which is what makes AI an absolute must-do for the industry to stay ahead, to stay competitive. AI enables the industry. It is it's the greatest equalizer. It enables industry both in India and in Asia in general to quickly get to global standards, go toe-to-toe with the largest global players in terms of quality, in terms of cost, in terms of efficiency. So those are the things that AI is able to deliver for the pulp and paper mills.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.